up, y'all? So we're here working. There's this tree that's been like affecting my house and like affecting the walls or whatever the case is. So my uncle and my aunt and them, they live in the house, but basically what we're doing is cutting it because it's damaging property. So it could either get worse or you can fix it when you get a chance. So that's what we're doing now. And like I said, it's Vlogtober, so let's get started. Let me show y'all some stuff. Too. This one's chilling in the house, like, all this stuff gotta go. So right now I'm at Villeside. It's one of Boston's top Haitian patty stores. So I'm about to get some patty for my mom because she asked for it She asked for it. Hold on. I'm bugging right now. I turned the car off and I didn't put it in park. I'm crazy. But basically, yeah, she asked for it like probably like a couple weeks ago. So I was like, you know what? While they're doing this treat thing, let me go grab that. So I'm on it real quick. It's called Le Foyer. They have good patty. So I've been going there since I was young, and till this day, I still go there. I don't go there as much because I don't eat that stuff all the time, but once in a while, you gotta enjoy yourself. So, got the patties. I'm about to go back to see what's going on. Got a long day today. Got to go to the shop. And since I stopped recording, a lot's happened. I don't know what you guys are aware of or what, but you'll see some of the experience. I mean, you'll get to see it, I guess. We got a new location. We got new staff. We still have the prior staff, but we got new staff. We've done a lot, so you guys get to see that, experience that. And what else? What else do I want to tell y'all while it's still fresh in my mind? Oh, well, actually, wrong t-shirt, but basically, yeah, the new company is called Somerville Printing by Villeside Customs, and you guys already knew about Villeside Customs, so it's right down the street, like legit, like 5 minutes down the street. It's Villeside Customs was on Broadway, so 491 Broadway, and now Somerville Printing by Villeside is 228 Lowell Street. So 5 minutes down. So over there we do all the screen printing on a bigger scale. So acquired it from a prior owner. Now putting our touch into it, learning, because it was a learning curve. So we acquired it in April, and since April, I've been over there making stuff happen. So my partner Jabir, he stays at Villeside, and I'm over there, and we go back and forth. So he gets orders, sends them to me. If I get orders, I send them to him. If I get like one-offs, miscellaneous stuff, stickers, etc. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But you guys are gonna get to see everything. I'm just sharing this with y'all. It's crazy because it's simple, but it's not as simple as you think. Because like they gotta make sure the trees are tied up and all that stuff, so that when they cut it, nobody's getting hurt. Trees aren't falling on people. You cut it. But now that he cut it, he's holding it and he's pushing it and whatever. It's a whole system. It's tied to the road. And now that it's tied to the road, it's basically untie it and go. It's a safe way. That's Annabelle. Doing their work. It's okay. Y'all seen it. So they're cutting the tree, and I'm waiting, but I might have to head out. I might tell them I might cut the check and head out. I was gonna wait so I could ask questions and stuff, but yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm headed to the store. The tree's still being cut. Oh man. I'm gonna need something to hold you guys. I'm gonna need. Well, guess what? For now, I'm gonna hold you guys. So I'm headed to the store because there's some electrical work being done over there, and I'm supposed to be getting a compressor and dryer installed because the dryer that we have doesn't work. So the thing about purchasing used equipment, you have a used equipment, so you gotta deal with issues that will come up or whatever the case is. If you're good at what you do, and sometimes you'll never know anyways, but if you're good at what you do, you'll be able to try to figure out what issues it may have, what issues it has at the moment, so you could try to get the best price possible. Anything's possible though at the end of the day. So when we acquired the company, we acquired the equipment. We acquired the company's equipment. That was the deal. So now, as I become more knowledgeable, I realize, issue 1, issue 2, issue 4, issue 5, whatever the case is. So I'm fixing everything here and there, you know what I mean? Luckily, we're able to make money with the equipment, but if we want to make money long term, we got to make these adjustments now. So right now I'm getting some electrical work done, and while getting electrical work, I'm gonna be getting a new compressor and dryer. Early cash up front, sadly, high expenses, but like I said, it's part of the game. Could have purchased it new and it went out, but might have had warranty, yada yada yada. But right now they're over there, so I gotta head over there and quickly try to see what's going on, have a conversation. I'm not really much of a, when it comes to like paying, like I don't know what type of person you guys are. I'm not really much of a barter. Like I don't try to negotiate all the time. I just pay when the person tells me the price. My partner, he's like a 50-50. He'll negotiate, but he'll also pay, you know. But I just feel like the person named their price because that's what they feel they're worth. And me being in business, I would love for all you guys to pay me what I tell you guys, but this is never the case. Everybody has seizures when they hear a certain price, and they're like, what can we do to make this lower? And I'm not even mad at it, barter, because I'm the guy who gives you the discounts anyway once you guys say that. My goal is to one day be so corporately big that there's no barter system. Maybe there's like implementation of like sales, or this month it's this discount, or this month is whatever, employee referral codes, like, because in reality there's programs for all the barterers. The thing is, as a small business, you don't have them in place, so it's like when they come in and they're like, oh, can I get a discount from this price? I don't know, it's just a different world. But I'm in it, so I play the game. I try to take care of as many people as possible and keep as much money as I can, because that's what keeps the lights on, that's what feeds the employees, that's what will give me an opportunity long term, etc., you know, for growth. So that's it really. But I guess I'll see you guys at the shop, okay? And I'm gonna work on figuring out how to get some type of stand, so when I'm in the car driving I could place it down, or just start carrying a stick or something like that. Alright? So this is our logo for Somerville Printing by Villeside Customs. I'm actually at Villeside. Working some designs, checking emails. Here early, and this is what I got for y'all. Showed y'all the logo, because I forgot to record when I was over there, because I was like in and out, because I had to get some stuff going. So gotta take care of some customers. They need some stuff done as soon as possible. So basically I had to make sure that everything was situated over there. And then like, as soon as I got it situated, I came over here so I could get these things going so that way we're not late or deadlines are met. But this is our new logo. You'll be seeing this a lot. It's a combination with Villeside and some little prints. It probably should be on this side too, huh? What y'all think? Nah, too much. Too much. So probably either I'll be wearing polos with it on this side. Or I'm set. All right. I'm gonna talk to y'all later because I gotta get this done. I gotta make sure everything's on point. So I don't wanna like waste any time. I'm gonna be back though. Y'all didn't get to hear what he just said.
What did you say?
These guys, man. But anyways, look at this dude. He's back. He doesn't know, but Vlogtober.
Back at it.
So I remember when I did
What?
the Christmas joint, the 30-day
What Christmas
Vlogmas. So
Huh?
they have something called Vlogtober on YouTube.
Oh my goodness.
So I'm back at it.
What is this one?
Vlogtober. I don't know. You vlog for the month of October every day.
That's it?
It's all about vlogging, man. But yeah, so right now I just set up some boxes that we have. Set up one box. I just set up the second box right here.
Again, why are you wearing red? Why is it when I wear red, you wear red? Oh, you don't want to
He's
answer
trying
that
to get
question?
famous on my yo. I tell y'all.
Answer that question.
Anyways, but right now we got a lot of work, so I'm trying to make sure I'm on it. So I ain't really recording, but I'm gonna get to y'all, okay? I ain't forget. So I'm watching this, and I think it's good gems, so I'm gonna share it with y'all. It might not have anything to do with your company, but sometimes it does.
No, it was just.
So
I thought it was really cool.
I watched this guy
that
Printavo
special because
to make my business
these are
better,
communities where I
and
work online
just listen in and I'll go in.
that you guys were a part of to help create, and I'm sure a lot of other shop owners remember these too. So, thank you at least for doing that.
Hey man, no problem. I'm
This
glad-
guy right here,
glad I
he
can
has the
build
gems.
building blocks for your entire life. You know, it's a real pleasure.
Yeah.
I was looking this morning into the stuff, and I was like looking, going, man, how many sign-up leads did we have for that? You know, and I don't know. I went from a point at the beginning where I go, dude, this Printavo thing, it's so simple. It doesn't handle any of this stuff. I remember when it was like, and now I look and I go, as we're dealing with AR stuff or whatever, and they're like billing people, and I'm like, oh, we got to add this, and I go, at some point we're going to wait. My software engineering director and I are talking, and I go, at some point, even though we just relaunched the new version of this internally, which was like a 7-year, like, teeth-pulling project, we even sourced the development to another company who then took just as long as we were taking, and we ended up taking it from them, and they gave it to us for free. Like, all this stuff happened. We threw a party for new RMS Day, right? And still, we're looking at this going, if we have too many features we got to build, like, I'm like, maybe we should just change the whole business to run on Printavo, because then it's like Shopify. We don't have to think about it.
This is it right here.
You know, and,
It's hard. I mean, I think about it too with like us for a CRM or or email marketing tool, right? Like it's just hard.
We
to
did the same
build.
thing, man.
Right.
I'm over it.
What?
We
You
built our
this-
own. Dude, my whole sales department runs off a self-made CRM, and guess what? Just sign me up for Salesforce, please. Like, whatever.
Right there, that's
like,
the
why
gem.
do we have to continue? This is
important.
Asks for my advice
I'ma tell y'all
about starting
why.
a business or whatever. Not to take potential questions from you that you may or may not have been asking, but it's like I would give 2 pieces of advice: get an accountant who knows what they're talking about, and shut up and listen to them from day one. That's number 1. Number 2 is stay in your lane and use the experts, whether it's the software, that like a Printavo now if somebody needs it or whatever, like use it. Don't build your own thing. You need a CRM, don't be cheap. Use Salesforce or whatever, something like it. We have our own, and it's just like you're making these half-baked things and you're trying to make this thing work, and it just, over time, you're like, it's like that, what they thought about, could they and not.
So, let me see if I got a spot for you. So what I got from there, right? So basically, for me, the reason why this is big is because pretty much I run a business. I am an entrepreneur. We use a whole bunch of platforms. We promote, we have websites, all this stuff. A lot of stuff as we continue to grow, I try to like say, let me do in-house, let me do this, whatever the case is. But the thing is, you need help. And the thing is, you're not an expert at everything. So it kind of gets tricky because you would want to have everything in-house because of opportunities. And if you can, do it. You know what I mean? But sometimes what he's saying is basically like, sometimes it's not worth the headache or that long. You just heard him, 7 years with software engineer guy or whatever. I mean, I'll switch it up. I'm a black guy. So this is a big deal for me because as a black man, I always tell myself, as a black entrepreneur at least, I always tell myself like, I need to start trying to do everything and own everything and keep everything. And it's important, but certain things, it's like, why not find some help? Why not find some resources? Now, the thing about the accountant, what he spoke about, that's a very important part, but those accountants are expensive. So the thing is, it plays with your mind. You're like, because you're not used to just giving someone 500, 300. I don't know their prices, but the prices I've heard 200, 300. I haven't heard 500, but I'm sure that guy exists. But those numbers are crazy, and it's like, but at the end of the day, you're trying to run a multi-million, $100,000 company. So those were the goals. So it's gonna get costly. You know what I mean? So I feel like what he said was very important. I decided to share with y'all on YouTube. Make sure y'all pay attention, man. I'll be giving y'all gems through other people. When I get gems like that, it's important because in my head, I'm like, you know what? I need this to be in-house. I need that. Like right now, I'm into the whole learning NFTs, and I'm like, how do I incorporate it to my company? I'm like, oh, how do I figure out to keep it in-house? I might not be able to. I might have to use a third-party software that does this, then that allows me to do this, and then from there, I reap my benefits because of this and that. And that's it. Because I don't know nothing about, you know what I mean? So that was it. Gem of the day. I like that. Hope y'all got something from that. And that's it. But I got to get back to work. I'm peeling. On my Saturdays, I'm not supposed to be peeling. Oh, man. On my Saturdays, I'm not supposed to be peeling, but I am. So, all right. I'm going to record while y'all... I'm going to record me working while y'all listen, watch, whatever. I don't know. Okay. I just finished peeling all these. Still got more to peel. Gotta peel all these. But I'm gonna start pressing to see if it works and everything. Well, not see if it works. I'm gonna start pressing them just to see everything, how it looks and everything. All right? I should put y'all somewhere. see you, I'm tagging them. It's the only way I'm gonna get the job. Hopefully I get it, I'll let y'all know. So, it's again the same issue. So right now I'm about to go pick up an order from down the street before the customer comes. Hopefully the phone doesn't fall, but watch. Boom. They're coming full speed for me. Try to let me live. Okay, we made it out. So, yeah, I'm about to go to the other location to grab an order for a client that we took care of. And so far, so good. I mean, we're just working, you know, doing what we gotta do. I wanna have a sit down with my partner so we could chop it up in front of you guys. You know, not even chop it up in front of you guys like it's like a big meeting or something, but like just, you know, talk to you guys, tell you guys what we've been doing and stuff. We'll see how that goes. Funny thing, we got a lot of work and time's flying, so it's actually, what time is it? We got like 5 more hours of work. So within those 5 hours, we kind of have to like go hard in the next 3 hours, so that way I could have 2 hours to where I could do what I want to do with you and converse with you guys. But I mean, all I really needed probably is like 30 minutes of us relaxing and conversing. But at the end of the day, we're a shop, so who knows what we're about to encounter today, this beautiful Saturday. Someone might come in and never get a chance to record. But we might also, for an hour and a half, have plenty of time to record and have a whole full conversation with you guys. So we'll see, right? We'll see. And make sure that y'all go watch the whole video. Show love, you know? And if y'all know anybody that needs stuff done, I'm over here driving and trying to promote. Do this right here. Man, it's blurry. There we go. Okay? Alright, I'll see y'all later. So this is my location, my new location, but hold on. Why is it while I'm, what is it? I'm about to go grab a box, and I'm like, what's going on? And in the corner, it's a live performance. So, this is good content overall, you know? Live performance, the family in the neighborhood, doing what they do. Nobody's recording, so I hope, you know, I'm not the bad guy here. It's cool. I gotta go to a shop though, so I'm gonna show y'all that. So y'all get to see it for the first time. This is the shop. Hello, how you doing? 228 Old Street. This is the magic happens silently. Actually, I'm not even gonna show y'all everything yet because still got a long way to go. But this is our second location. Screens. This is where I have orders that are due for some people, so I'll grab the order and go because right now I'm super busy and I really want to show you guys, but I want to show you guys at my own pace because I got work to do. But this was the box that I got to pick up for the customer. I'm about to grab it real quick and go over there. I'm next to a rap studio by John Scott. So he be having all the big time rappers come over there. And I just be like, oh, I just be having to act normal, like I'm not a fan, you know what I mean? But the big time rappers be coming, whether from Boston or from Cali or from wherever. I be seeing their faces and I be knowing who they are. But, you know, I'm a celebrity too. Alright, I see y'all. Yo, it's mad early and this dude's complaining, man. It's early. Look at the sun out. It's early and he's complaining. Now he ain't got nothing to say. Yo, we got work. We got work. We gotta work. Why he complaining for?
You work for once?
He's like, I ain't complaining. Mark's complaining.
Oh, work, man.
I'm trying to play catch up.
Work, man.
Got my list. Y'all can't see the names and stuff, but maybe if y'all pause, y'all might see them.
You ain't
Got my
working,
list.
guys.
I'm just trying to work. He won't let me work.
He's not working. He's not working.
What am I doing then?
Who did you tag, though? Why are you spamming people?
Now I'm spamming people. Now I'm spamming. You see what I'm talking about? All right, man, y'all.
Why are you
I'm just-
spamming people?
I'm just here working. Trying to figure this out. Trying to figure out this chaos we call work. It's only chaotic because, like, things are picking up, so we gotta make sure we're on it. But once we figure that out, we'll be good.
Don't spam people, okay?
I don't know why he keeps repeating that, but... Oh, that's what we call it, spamming. I call it communicating. I call it being in their presence.
Communicate.
So that's what I'm doing. If you guys feel like I'm spamming y'all, just let me know too,
Yeah, why
because
you
I could be
spamming people,
wrong.
bro?
That's how he feels, but he's not even experiencing it, so he might be lying.
Attention, everybody. Oh, everybody. He is spamming everybody, but he loves you guys. Trust me, he loves you guys.
I don't love y'all.
he
I don't love y'all.
loves you guys.
Listen, I'm here to provide a service that you guys need.
He loves you.
Once I get to know y'all, maybe I'll love you.
No, he loves you.
I respect everybody. I make sure everybody's happy. I'm not evil.
Attention to the world. You guys, he loves you. He loves you.
Right now, I'm waiting for pizza that's like probably getting cold. I need the pizza so I can get energy so I can continue being as productive as I can, but it's taking all day. I need a haircut too. I just need to comb my hair on this side. Alright, y'all, let me get back to this
You want me to
because
feel this myself. Stop.
I gotta get back to work, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Remember, I potentially want to do something. If we catch up, I'm gonna do like I'm not gonna do a mukbang. I should have did the mukbang with the pizza. It's only 2 slices though, so can't do a mukbang with that. We'll just have a story time or something. I don't know. All right, let me get to work. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. All right, peace. Pizza's from Peenie's Pizza. Shout out to the guy, the plug. Give me a slice. On the house, obviously he paid for it. That's why I love my boss, man. Thanks, boss. Yeah, you know, he's busy eating. Don't interrupt your boss when he's eating. He chuckled. I don't know what that means. My boss loves the camera. You seen what he just did? All for the fame. I'm more of a behind the scene guy.
Nice and cheesy.
We're about to eat this. Right now I gotta create a couple mock-ups. And I gotta send like some quotes. And I have like 2 customers to take care of.
Ooh.
All right, 60, but I'm gonna take care of 2. I gotta go at my pace, you know. My boss sounds like he's about to fire me or something the way he just said that. Hopefully I don't get fired. If I do, hopefully you guys are hiring. Make sure y'all go on the website and buy some of these stuff. There should be a design on one of the hoodies, but I think we sold it this morning. It was a villain. But yeah, go on the website, grab one of these joints. I got a phone call. I'll be back.
Yo, the All-Stars here.
This just in. My Vlogtober's going crazy. He's going crazy. Going crazy.
I don't know what he's
going
up to,
crazy.
Don't put that camera on.
My vlogs. Oh no, he might put a sleeper hold on me right now.
The government.
He got skills. He might put me to sleep. I'm telling y'all.
What he's up to, bro.
They don't know where he's at.
I don't know what he's up to, bro.
You just said he went
I don't know what
AWOL.
he's up to.
I'm going to film yo. I'm
I'm
going to film yo, man. I'm going to film yo, man.
Yo, stop snitching, bro.
What's good, man?
What's going on? You
Passez,
losing
man.
weight.
Ah, yo pas bon manger, man. You don't feed me.
He's still extorting. Still extorting.
Yo pas mon morceau pizza, oui, man. Moitié, yo. You give me the full slice. Trash.
That broke me.
You vlogging?
Yeah, I'm
you
vlogging,
a full-time vlogger now?
You know, it's October, so I got to vlog for the next 30 days.
Vlogtober.
Yeah, that's what they call it. I seen it last night. I was like, hold up. Day 2, you know?
This guy's different.
What's going on, y'all?
What, man?
Kidding.
Who's Virginia?
Guys, this is Gee.
City Council?
He's a vet in the game. Tell him about yourself, man. Tell him what you do now.
Stop playing.
You know what I mean? Humble. These guys are mad humble.
Oh, I got a Villeside tattoo, man.
Oh,
I had to get it.
don't show it to them. Ah,
Tattoo, bro.
don't show it to
Back,
them.
it's all over.
That showed the tattoo, bro.
What's Future say? Life is good now. I mean, you know. All right, y'all. Let me catch up with Gee.
Yeah, give me a tour.
Right now, you know.
Is that's a new project?
Yeah.
How about a third building?
Nah, that's Tesla. They doing it big.
Jeez,
We're still on our first.
crazy.
Working on our second, making it look nice. But yeah, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all.
What's some live shit? New technology? Because I was locked up, so I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Oh, he means locked up doing something right, man.
Yeah.
Changing lives. Show me, don't you got like a badge or ID
Oh,
that
fuck
gives you
no.
free food or something?
Oh, yeah, sure, man.
I wouldn't do
People be showing the badge, they be
Discount.
like, discount?
Oh, yeah.
I'm with it.
You guys have that?
No, we don't. All right, y'all, I'll holler. Peace. It's the end of the day.
Remember you too, man. We miss you, man. You know,
He's in the building.
10-4, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know what 10-4 means. What's 10-4?
10-4.
Yeah, we're vlogging.
Big
10-4.
10-4, what's 10-4?
You don't know what 10-4 is?
10-4.
Oh,
10-4.
see? I
Get
don't
it
know
right,
that.
Clock the clock out.
Clock out.
I don't know why he's
10-4.
swearing on my vlog.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I don't know
I just got out, you know what I'm saying?
He just got out.
Just got out. I did my time, you know what I'm saying? I did my time. Came home, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, but I'll say
10-4.
today was a busy day. We
10-4.
were as productive as we can be. Still got a lot to do.
Oh, well.
I wanted to do the mukbang, didn't happen.
Right.
I wanted to tell a story, didn't happen.
You working?
This guy think I didn't work, but not only did I work, I
I don't even
overworked.
know how to code switch anymore. See, you like these code switching?
Yeah?
The day had just concluded.
Yeah, that's it.
What'd I
Simple.
say?
The date.
That was you.
Yeah?
You can rewind the tape.
Yo,
Gee.
cut the check.
Oh, Gee.
But,
Let them know, Gee.
yeah, like I said,
Let them know that proper lingo.
what do we do today? We got some jobs done.
That proper lingo.
This guy right here is still working hard, or acting like he's working hard.
That proper lingo.
And that's it, man. That's it. I'm gonna piece all this together.
Yeah, I'm
Peace,
going
peace.
to
Once I
church.
get to the crib,
Going to church tomorrow. You know that?
Church.
tomorrow Sunday. Oh yeah, you're right.
Tomorrow is Sunday, bro.
So as a matter of fact, I'm gonna piece it all together, and then obviously
Man.
tomorrow I'm gonna get y'all on a Sunday.
Man.
I'm not gonna be at the store.
Where's this going? YouTube?
YouTube, yeah.
God damn.
I'm not gonna be at the
Shout out to
store.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Shout out to the Bruins, Big B's.
So we'll see how it goes.
Shout out to all the
I feel like you
Bruins.
saying the Bruins will probably make my videos get copyrighted.
What?
Probably.
Clickbait.
Bruins, Boston Bruins.
Clickbait, y'all.
Shout out to Lucci.
Lucic.
Nah, that's actually that Bruins joint he got on. It look official. It's different.
That's throwback.
It looks expensive though. It look like quality.
Throwback, brother.
It look
I had
quality.
to scribble in the pen to get this, you know what I'm saying?
No, it looks quality. It looks like it's at least worth 700.
700.
Maybe 8. I bet you take a picture and put it as an NFT.
Bro, you gave up on the thing?
1,000.
Okay.
I was doing the back. I did. I set up the back for you. The
The
front.
front, bro. You gave up?
The front's no good. You gotta reprint
Then
that.
print it out for me, bro.
See?
Come on, man.
They fine. I don't do that. I don't fight. I'm all about love, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, print the thing out, bro.
And he's still
Crazy,
yelling
man.
at me. Still yelling at me. He didn't say please or nothing.
Thank you. Please, my brother.
Thing is, it's simple.
Please, my brother.
This dude said we fighting. He would just watch you. He would just watch
Please,
the
my
fight.
brother.
My brother.
Who's doing the edits?
I don't even know.
I ain't.
Oh, okay. I feel that. There's a whole bunch of shit that's gonna be out
Oh,
here.
God.
Nah.
Like, oh shit, this never made it.
He's like, how did I say that?
Nah, we posting everything.
With every vlog, I don't know how he does his shit, but you know what? I'm gonna tell y'all, I don't know, viewers, followers, whatever the fuck. I'm sorry.
Beep,
I was,
beep, beep.
You know the crazy thing though?
I
Like,
got the
was
beep
in-
button.
The military teaches me how to cuss people
Oh.
out like crazy. I
Okay.
noticed that. I can't control myself.
Mm.
But make sure y'all follow me, you know what I'm saying? Hotlanta 509, you know, with the HATLNATA, you know, 509 kind of shit, you know. Follow me up there.
Hello?
And make sure y'all invest too. Put your money in those coins, you know.
What kind of coins?
Yep.
Alright, too much gems.
Hello?
Yeah, it's too much.
Yeah.
Go follow me, you know what I'm saying? Follow me and hit my DM. I'll tell you which coins.
He'll let y'all know. Y'all got it. Atlanta. 509.
Where you at?
Alright, peace. They on the bed.
Oh, this is
Demetria, you live for this one.